Hi friends, welcome to my Travel India. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. After subscribing, please press bell icon for further notifications. This video about Sahasrakund Waterfalls. This waterfall situated on the Penganga River, Nanded district of Maharashtra. It is situated nearly 100 kilometers from Nanded and 60 kilometers from Nirmal and 100 kilometers from Adilabad. Nearest railway station is Sahasrakund railway station, which is 6 kilometers from this waterfalls. Daily buses are available from Nirmal. Kinvat town is nearly 50 kilometers from this place. Daily trains are available from Nanded, Hyderabad, Tirupati, Adilabad, Vijayawada, Warangal, etc. Food stalls are available at this place. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends and family members.